So, magpa-file tayo ng tax. First time ko mag-file ng tax. Nag-register ako last June. So, this is the first time. And 0 sales pa. So, nagpunta ako sa BIR and sabi ni BIR, kinonfirm ko lang sa kanya kung anong form yung fill upan ko. So, we can go here, Google. Ayan. So, kung paano tayo makakapunta dito kay BIR, search na lang siya. So, ayan, X muna natin siya. So, BIR, search na lang, enter. Then, lalabas na to. Click nyo lang yan. Then, click nyo tong e-services. And then, you need to find EBIR forms. Click this one. And then, hanapin nyo lang tong, this one is the guide. I already installed this one. And this one is the form. So, let's click here. Ayan, as you can see, nag-download na siya. Actually, I already downloaded this one. So, X na natin to. Click ko lang to. Sorry, cancelled. Ayan. Click ko na nga para makita nyo kung paano ang gagawin. This one is the guide. So, dinownload ko na yan, kaya di ko na siya dinownload ulit. So, nandito yung step by step kung paano nyo ito-download yung form. Ayan. You need to install kasi siya. Ito. So, balik tayo sa download. So, ito downloaded na. You need to double-click this one. Then, lalabas yan. More info. Run anyway. And then, ayan. Yes mo lang yan. Then, next. Next. Then, next. Then, install. So, hindi ko na siya gagawin kasi installed na sa akin. For a while. Ayan. So, burahin na natin to. Medyo mataas din kasi yung ano. Okay, so dito nyo rin makikita sa guide kung ano yung sinasabi ko earlier. Ayan, click next, then finish. Then ayan na, lalabas na tong BIR forms. So once you download that form, ito yung lalabas. So click natin, ito yung forms. Okay, click natin. Double click natin, then wait lang. Okay. Ayan. So, okay, so after natin siya ma-download, hanapin natin. So, dito siya sa may Windows. Okay. Windows, and then EBI Forms. This one. Yan. Ilalabas ko lang siya. Para nakikita ko. So, ito yung lalabas. Kailangan nyo lang siyang i-fill out. So, yung RDO nyo, ako kasi Antipolo, PIR to. So, 0 or 5. You need to know your RDO. Then, yung name nyo, line of business, kung ano nakalagay doon sa ating COR. Then, eto na. Yung forms, naka-indicate dyan sa COR nyo kung online business or online selling yung inyong business. Ang nakalagay dyan, for quarterly, which is itong August 15 ang deadline, 1701Q. So, ito yung clarification ko sa BIR. Nagpunta ako earlier. Kasi meron akong na-search na ang updated daw is yung may V2018. Kasi dalawang form dito. Parehas lang yung naka-indicate. Yung 1701, ito, this one. This one, at saka itong V2018. So, sabi ng BIR, ito na daw ang gagamitin. Even though ito yung nakalagay sa form types ng COR natin, ito yung gagamitin natin. So, just click that one, then fill up. Okay, so, bago ko yan pindutin, fill out na. Pwede natin yung 0 na isa. Pwede natin. Ayaw niya, bakit ganun? Okay, kaya pala, kulang ng 0. Okay, then click submit. Okay, background information save, updated successfully. Okay. Then, since hindi naman tayo graduated tax, dito tayo sa 8%. Ignore nyo lang tong Schedule 1. So, dito tayo sa Schedule 2 from 47 to 54. Actually, nag-search lang din ako, nag-check lang ako ng mga videos. Since wala pa akong sales, so 0. This one is kung meron kayong other non-operating income, pwede nyo i-input, pwede nyo hindi ilagay na. So this one, total taxable income, previous quarter, kung meron kayong previous. So yung sa akin, wala, since this is the first time na mag-file ako. Ito yung problem ko. Kanina ko pa siya chinecheck kasi yung mga videos na napanood ko, hindi siya grade out. Sa akin, grade out. Supposedly, lalagay nyo dito yung 250,000. Kasi yung 8% tax, kapag yun ang pinili nyo, mixed income earner kasi ako. I don't know kung ang mga napanood ko is for purely non-employed. Yun nga, ilalagay mo yung 250,000 dito kasi ida-deduct yun. So, yung combination ng income mo sa employer mo at saka income mo sa business mo, kapag lumagpas yun ng 250,000 combination, correct me if I'm wrong, pero ito yung pagkakaintindi ko, yung lalagpas sa 250,000 annually to, yun yung magkakaroon ng tax na 8%. So, yung ganito kasi right now, naka-grade out. So, I think, i-ignore ko na lang siya. Since 0 naman yung nilagay ko. Tagalin natin Ayan. So, 0 kasi wala pa talaga akong sales. Kapag may nilagay ka kasi dito, let's say 90,000. Ayan. As you can see, yung total ng 47 and 48, ito yung 49. Yan yung total nung 47 and 48. Then, pagdating dito, let's say, previously, meron kang 50,000. Pag pinindot mo yan, yung total ng itong 50 and for a while. So, yung total ng 49 at saka 50, pag inad mo, ito yung 51. Total ng 49 and 50, yun yung 51. Ayan, cumulative taxable income as of this quarter. So, 49 and 50. So, pagdating dito, supposedly, dapat malalagay ko yung 250,000 dyan, pero ayaw. Grade out siya. I don't know why. So kung titingnan natin, 7.6 ang dapat kong bayaran for my tax. Pero again, 0 na din yan. So I think hindi naman siya, ayan, nag-0 na. So hindi natin siya ma-file. So for me, okay na yan. Kasi kailangan ko lang siyang i-file. Kung hindi, magkakaroon po tayo ng penalty. Per quarter po yan, 3 quarters and annually. Isang quarter lang na hindi ka nakapag-file. Regardless, if meron kang sales or wala, dapat mag-file. Kasi kapag na-late ka ng filing, automatic may penalty tayo. Correct me if I'm wrong, I think 1,000 siya per open case. So, ayan, try natin itong okay. Save natin. Okay, nakasave. Yung previous save natin. Kailangan i-save nyo siya para meron kayong copy. Okay. Next. Then next. Wala na next. Submit final copy. Please ensure that you have internet access and valid email address is indicated. Are you sure you want to submit? Okay. Thank you for using ingredient. You confirm that you have. Okay. Here, terms and conditions. Taxpayer obligation. Ayan. Basahin nyo na lang, then agree. Then, click OK. Waiting. Okay, submit successful. Subject to validation by BIR. A notification will be sent to your email address. Please print or save the email as an evidence of e-filed return. There will be some delays on email sending of confirmation please bear with us. In case of delay or non-receipt of system-generated email confirmation from EBI forms, please check the following. Active email, email account quota exceed. Okay. Firewall. Okay na tayo. So, ngayon, now I'll try to follow. What is this? Not found. Okay. So, okay na yun. So, check natin kung nakasave. So, ayun lang. Wait na lang tayo for confirmation via email. Okay. Ayun lang, guys. Thank you.